Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear the media cache files in After Effects so that you can save your system space, as well as if any errors you are facing in After Effects, this will also helps. For this, open the After Effects. So this is how the panel looks like. After that, you don't need to create any project here guys. Simply go to the edit on the top. Even for the Mac also, it's the same. After that, go to the preferences, just hover the mouse cursor. You can see a list of options. From here, select the disk option. A new window will be opened like this. So here you can see I enabled the disk cache. If in case you disabled it, mostly you won't see these options. So make sure you empty the disk cache. Even After Effects also says that if you enable the disk cache, you can get the improved performance from After Effects for the project you are working. I actually cleared it, that's why it's not showing here this option, empty disk cache. Next option is clean database and cache. So this is also, you need to click on it. It takes some time to clear the database and the cache. Once it is done, you instantly notice the differences of the spaces. Currently, these are the spaces. I actually cleared it before recording this video. That's why the storage spaces are free now. Before doing that, it is showing like this red color for the Windows C. After it, click on OK. That's it. Now close the After Effects and reopen again. You can see it loads faster, as well as the space in your system is also freed up. Thank you so much for watching till now, and also check whether you liked this video, and also subscribe and click the bell icon for this channel to get notified whenever I upload a new video.